Efforts to repeal the state's casino law will come to a head Monday, with both sides meeting in the state's highest court. Good evening and welcome to 22 News at 6. I'm Barry Krieger.
And I'm Laura Hutchinson. The Supreme Judicial Court will hear arguments Monday from casino supporters and opponents. 22
News I-Team reporter Ryan Walsh explains why the court's decision will have nothing to do with the pros and cons of casinos.
Their decision will be based solely on whether the state should have a right to vote on the casino law. Massachusetts created a casino law in 2011. Close to 3 years later, there's a growing effort to repeal the law. By early July, we should know if the law will stand as is or if voters will decide the fate of casinos in November.
To unravel it all at this point would be a taking.
The state's casino law did allow for local choice. Of the 10 referendums held in Massachusetts communities, 6 voted yes in green there, and the 4 in red rejected casinos. Why was that not good enough?
For one, as we said before, this is going to affect everyone.
If you add up all the votes in the 10 casino referendums across the state, 56.5% of the voters have said yes to casinos. 43.5% have said no. Is this a win for your group if it gets on a referendum, or is it only a win if it's overturned?
We believe it's going to be a win. We've got a lot of work to do.
MGM is just about a lock to win a gaming license. What's unclear now with this repeal effort is if a casino will ever be built in Springfield's South End. Governor Deval Patrick was a big reason why casinos are in Massachusetts in the first place. What's your stance on this repeal effort, and why haven't you been more vocal in supporting the law you helped create?
Well, first of all, as you know, I think the casino law is a helpful thing. I have other issues I'm working on now, and the SJC will do what it has to do.
We believe the arguments in front of the SJC are very strong, and we're very hopeful that the SJC supports the Attorney General's opinion and rejects the petition.
If there is a casino question on the ballot in November, expect MGM and the other casino developers left in Massachusetts to team up and run a massive and expensive campaign. I'm Ryan Walsh, working for you with the 22 News I-Team.